Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is March the 17th, 2018, and I'm going to be planting some caladium bulbs today. Now, my caladium bulbs have started waking up, and these can actually be difficult to get them to wake up. They just kind of started sprouting on their own. So you can see here what they look like. And it has this nice little tip here. And you can also put these in like little starter containers if you don't want to put them in a big container like this. Now I'm putting mine in here because I already know I want a basket of these this year. So this is a 10-inch container, and I'm going to be putting them in here. Now you want to put these 2 to 3 inches deep. So I'm going to be burying them down in here, and you want, if you look at your tuber here, you want to place the flat side here down because you're going to have your sprouts facing up. So I have my 10-inch container here filled with my potting mix, and I'm just going to put some in here. And you can kind of arrange them however you want. I'm just pushing them down in the soil. And if they don't want to wake up for you, one of the things that you can do, I'm just kind of facing these here how I want them to go. I'll probably face them out here some, because I don't want them all in with each other. Is you can take a larger container, like one of your flat containers, or you can take like oh, let me see here, where'd it go? Okay, I'm back, sorry about that. You can take like a flat, and you can fill your flat about halfway up with soil and make it moist, and you can take your dormant caladium bulbs, like this one here. This one here is starting to sprout, okay. You can grab one that's dormant here. Sorry about that. Most of these in this bag are waking up. Okay, here's one. This one here is dormant, and you want to feel them, make sure that they're not smushy, or you want to make sure that they didn't dry out. If they dried out, they'll actually crush in your hand, and you don't want that to happen. So I actually store mine in some soil in a plastic bag, and I do let the bag open so they can still breathe, so they don't mold. And what you'll do is you'll take your flat, you fill it with your soil, make your soil moist, and you can bury this about halfway down. And put it in a warm, well-lit area, and that should trigger these to start waking up. So it'll take a little bit, because some of these, they can just be really difficult to try and get them to wake up. So continue filling in with these here. Now I am putting quite a few of these in here because I want a nice full basket. Now they recommend that you space them 4 to 6 inches apart. I didn't do that in here because I want the full basket, and I've done these before like this and they grew just fine for me. So because some of these, they didn't sprout yet. Some only have like one bulb to it. They're not like multiple ones. So nice. This should be good right here. And you can start these in individual containers or however you wish to start them. Okay, and I'm just going to fill this in, and I always leave an inch from the top of my basket or container to where I leave the soil line at. So that way then you have like a water reservoir, and you don't have to worry about, like, when you water it, all of your water spilling out of it. And this will make a beautiful basket for the shade. You can hang it like on your porch, or if you have like a shepherd's staff or something under a tree, it'll make a beautiful, beautiful basket. Whoops. Break that one off. And watch you don't break the tips off. And these get nice, big, beautiful colored leaves on them. They're really pretty for brightening up your shaded areas. So I will just give this some water then, and I'll put it over in my growing area under my lights. And when you water this, your soil is probably going to sink down, so you'll want to fill it in with some more soil, and a nice weekly fertilizer. So that's how I plant my caladium bulbs. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.